Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Dina. Welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to style a blazer. Blazers are a huge staple in my closet this season, and I just want to show you a few different ways that you can wear them. So if you're interested in finding out how, keep watching. Okay, so for the first look, I have on this really nice blazer. It's a wool blazer. It's actually a men's blazer, and I love it. I love to buy men's blazers. I like to get them because I like them oversized, and they just fit a lot better. I like how the shoulders are. They have shoulder pads, so it gives you kind of that retro 80s vibe. And then actually these pants are also men's. They're from ASOS, which I love. You can buy men's pants and take them to the tailor and get them tailored to fit your waist or wherever you want them to fit. I really like these. I'm not sure what the material is. It's not quite linen material, but kind of feels like a little bit of a linen. But I like them because they're loose, they're kind of baggy, and the whole outfit just gives you like a retro vibe. And this is great for work. I just have on a simple bodysuit underneath as well. You could do a belt if you want to, and then I just have on a very simple heel as well, and then I accessorize with some cute glasses. These are not real. I don't wear glasses. These are just blue light. And then I put on a really cute headband as well to kind of bring the look together. I have simple jewelry, just a few rings. I don't have on any bracelets or anything, and just a simple dainty, I don't know if you can see, a dainty earring. So I really like this look. This is great for work, afterwards for like cocktail hour, to get some drinks or something for happy hour after work. It's great for a date night look. I wear blazers almost every day to work. I'm really obsessed with them right now, and I'm building quite the collection, so these have become a favorite of mine. And this is the first look of how I chose to style it. Look, I paired this really cute dress I got at Shein with this blazer from, I believe it's from Zara. I got it a while ago. And this is actually a collarless blazer, which is why I paired it with this dress, because it has a pretty good size collar on it. The dress is actually long sleeve, and because this blazer is already has the scrunch detailing in it, I kind of just took the dress and tucked it under to kind of give it like a little bit of character to the outfit. Kind of gives it like a little bit of a puff sleeve there at the bottom, or a bell sleeve, whichever one you want to call it. And then I paired it with these cute booties from Just Fab. They match the blazer, and of course another headband. This is a faux leather headband, jewelry, and this is another cute way to wear a blazer. You could wear this. You could actually wear this to work. This is cute if you're like a teacher, I think, or something like that. And this is also great to wear out. I wore this exact same dress to a winery a few weekends ago with some people I know at work, and I styled it completely differently. I'll put a picture in so you can see how I styled it that day. So this is another way to style a blazer. Next look, I paired this blazer with jeans and a cute heel. This is very chic and simple. I paired it with a black camisole and a red heel to add a little pop of color, because there is a little bit of red in the blazer. And then one of my favorite, a hat as well. This is just a simple black beret, and just a very cute, chic, simple. You can also wear this, like, you know, if you're allowed to wear jeans on Friday, this is a great look, because then afterwards you can go and grab a drink or dinner with some friends or go on a date. That's another great way to style a blazer. Okay, so the last look, I know you are very familiar with my favorite pink blazer, but I wanted to put this with this look to add a pop of color, so do kind of like a color block look. And I paired it with a black bodysuit, cute wool shorts, and some fishnet tights, and a cute boot. They're just a cute little platform boot as well, a cute hat, and I added these glasses to accessorize the look. They're not real, they're just blue light glasses, because again, I don't wear glasses, so I just like to wear them to kind of like save my eyes while I'm at work, and just because I think they look cute. And I got them in the dollar bin at Target for $3, so you can't beat that. So this is another great way to style a blazer. This would be cute on the weekend to go out in the fall time, and I love the tights. They have like a little bow print. I think they were like Hello Kitty, which I didn't know when I bought. I just thought they had just a cute little design on them. So, but they're super cute, very on trend right now. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you got some great outfit inspiration and enjoyed today's video. I post videos every Sunday, beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. And until next time, oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye.